Imagine this. You're in the middle of an intense mobile game, about to clinch victory, when suddenly, your Samsung phone goes dark. The frustration is palpable, the disruption undeniable. Unexpected shutdowns are a common yet vexing issue for many Samsung phone users. This abrupt halt in operation can be triggered by a range of factors, from simple software glitches to more complex hardware problems. Unraveling the mystery behind these shutdowns is key to finding a solution and restoring your phone's reliability. The inconvenience of an unexpected shutdown extends far beyond just interrupted games. It can disrupt important work calls, sever mid-conversation messaging, and even cause you to miss capturing precious memories. The uncertainty of not knowing when your phone might decide to take an unscheduled break adds to the anxiety. This unpredictability underscores the need to understand the root causes and find effective solutions. The battery is the lifeblood of your Samsung phone, and any issues with it can lead to unexpected shutdowns. Over time, batteries naturally degrade, losing their ability to hold a charge effectively. This degradation can result in the phone suddenly powering off, even when the battery indicator shows a decent percentage remaining. This discrepancy between displayed battery life and actual capacity is a common sign of an aging battery. Another common battery-related culprit is improper charging habits. Using off-brand chargers or exposing the battery to extreme temperatures can accelerate its degradation, leading to unexpected shutdowns. Extreme cold can temporarily reduce battery capacity, while excessive heat can cause permanent damage. Being mindful of charging practices and environmental conditions can help prolong your battery's lifespan and minimize shutdown occurrences. Experts advise users to monitor their battery's performance closely. If you notice a significant decrease in battery life or frequent unexpected shutdowns, it might be time for a replacement. Using Samsung-approved chargers and avoiding extreme temperatures can also help maintain battery health. Remember, a healthy battery is the cornerstone of a reliable phone experience. Excessive heat is a known enemy of electronics, and your Samsung phone is no exception. When the internal components of your phone get too hot, they can trigger a safety mechanism that shuts down the device to prevent permanent damage. This overheating can stem from various factors including prolonged heavy usage, demanding apps, and even environmental conditions. Recognizing the signs of overheating is crucial to preventing sudden shutdowns. One of the most obvious signs of overheating is a noticeable warmth on the back of your phone. Performance may also become sluggish, apps might crash, and the battery might drain rapidly. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to give your phone a break and allow it to cool down. Avoiding direct sunlight, closing unused apps, and reducing screen brightness can help manage internal temperatures. Experts recommend using phone cases designed to dissipate heat efficiently. They also advise against using the phone while charging, as this can generate additional heat. Keeping your phone's software up to date is also crucial, as updates often include optimizations that improve thermal management. By understanding and addressing the causes of overheating, you can minimize the risk of heat-induced shutdowns. While hardware issues often take the blame for unexpected shutdowns, software problems can be equally culpable. Like any complex system, the software running your Samsung phone can encounter glitches and errors that lead to malfunctions, including sudden shutdowns. These software snafus can arise from various sources ranging from outdated operating systems to corrupted app data. One common software-related culprit is an outdated operating system. Software updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can prevent unexpected shutdowns. Delaying or neglecting these updates can leave your phone vulnerable to software glitches that disrupt its normal operation. Keeping your phone's software current is a simple yet effective way to minimize software-related shutdowns. Another potential software trigger is corrupted app data. If an app accumulates corrupted data, it can conflict with the phone's operating system, leading to instability and unexpected shutdowns. Clearing the app's cache or data can often resolve this issue, restoring smooth functionality. Regularly clearing app caches is a good practice to prevent data corruption and maintain software stability. While apps are designed to enhance your phone's functionality, some can inadvertently wreak havoc, leading to unexpected shutdowns. Apps that demand excessive processing power, consume a large amount of battery, or have compatibility issues with your phone's software can push the device to its limits, triggering a shutdown. Identifying and addressing such rogue apps is essential to prevent these disruptive shutdowns. One telltale sign of a problematic app is rapid battery drain. If you notice a particular app consuming a disproportionately large amount of battery, it could be a sign of incompatibility or inefficient coding. Monitoring battery usage statistics can help you pinpoint such apps and take appropriate action. Uninstalling or updating the app might be necessary to resolve the issue. Another indicator of a troublesome app is persistent sluggishness or frequent crashes. If an app consistently hinders your phone's performance or crashes regularly, it might be overloading the system, leading to shutdowns. Checking online reviews and forums for reports of similar issues with the app can help confirm your suspicions. Replacing the app with a more stable alternative might be the best course of action. While the focus often falls on internal components, sometimes the culprit behind unexpected shutdowns is a simple mechanical issue: a faulty power button. If the power button is jammed, stuck, or malfunctioning, it can send false signals to the phone, triggering an unintentional shutdown. This physical glitch can be particularly frustrating as it can occur randomly, making it difficult to diagnose. One way to identify a power button problem is to pay close attention to the button's responsiveness. If it feels sticky, loose, or requires excessive force to activate, it might be malfunctioning. Inspecting the button for any visible damage or debris that might be obstructing its movement can also provide clues. Cleaning the button gently with a soft cloth might resolve the issue if debris is the culprit. If cleaning the power button doesn't resolve the problem, it's best to consult a qualified technician. Attempting to repair a faulty power button yourself can lead to further damage. A technician can diagnose the issue accurately and recommend the appropriate repair or replacement. Remember, a properly functioning power button is crucial for reliable phone operation. Sometimes the cause of unexpected shutdowns lies hidden within the intricate network of connections inside your Samsung phone. A loose connection between the battery, motherboard, or other vital components can disrupt the flow of power and data, leading to sudden shutdowns. These loose connections can arise from physical impacts, wear and tear, or even manufacturing defects. Identifying a loose connection can be tricky, as it often doesn't manifest as a visible problem. One clue might be intermittent shutdowns that occur seemingly at random. Another sign could be a sudden loss of functionality in certain features, such as the camera or touchscreen, before the phone shuts down completely. These erratic behaviors suggest a disruption in the flow of information within the phone. If you suspect a loose connection, seeking professional help is advisable. Attempting to disassemble your phone to check connections yourself can void your warranty and potentially cause further damage. A qualified technician can safely inspect the internal components, identify any loose connections, and perform the necessary repairs. Remember, ensuring secure connections is vital for a properly functioning phone. Section 8. Water Woes Liquid Damage Dilemma. Water and electronics are a notoriously bad mix, and your Samsung phone is no exception. Liquid damage can wreak havoc on the delicate internal components of your phone, leading to a range of problems, including unexpected shutdowns. The severity of the damage depends on the amount of liquid exposure and the duration of contact. Prompt action is crucial to minimize the impact of water damage. If your Samsung phone comes into contact with liquid, the first step is to power it off immediately. Do not attempt to turn it on or charge it, as this can worsen the damage. If possible, remove the battery, SIM card, and any other removable components. Gently dry the exterior of the phone with a soft cloth and place it in a container filled with uncooked rice or silica gel packets to absorb any remaining moisture. After allowing the phone to dry for at least 24 hours, attempt to power it on. If it functions normally, you might have dodged a bullet. However, if you experience any issues, such as unexpected shutdowns, it's best to consult a qualified technician. They can assess the extent of the damage and recommend the appropriate repair or replacement options. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to liquid damage. Section 9. Aging hardware. The inevitable decline. Like any electronic device, your Samsung phone's hardware components have a limited lifespan. As these components age, they become less efficient and more prone to malfunctions, including unexpected shutdowns. While regular maintenance and responsible usage can prolong the life of your phone, eventually, the inevitable decline of aging hardware will catch up. One of the first signs of aging hardware is a noticeable decrease in performance. Apps might take longer to load, the touchscreen might become less responsive, and the battery life might dwindle significantly. These are all indicators that the phone's internal components are struggling to keep up with the demands placed upon them. As the hardware continues to age, you might experience more frequent unexpected shutdowns. These shutdowns might occur randomly or under specific conditions, such as when using demanding apps or when the battery is low. Recognizing these signs of aging hardware is crucial to making informed decisions about repair or replacement. Section 10. Troubleshooting tips, first aid for your phone. Facing an unexpected shutdown can be frustrating, but there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to try and resolve the issue yourself before seeking professional help. These tips focus on addressing common software-related causes, as these are often the easiest to fix without specialized tools or knowledge. The first step is to ensure your phone's software is up to date. Outdated software can contain bugs and vulnerabilities that contribute to unexpected shutdowns. Checking for and installing the latest software updates often resolves these issues, improving the phone's stability and performance. Next, focus on identifying and addressing problematic apps. Check your battery usage statistics to identify apps consuming an unusually high amount of battery. Consider uninstalling or updating these apps to see if it resolves the issue. Clearing the cache and data of frequently used apps can also help prevent data corruption that might lead to shutdowns. Section 11. Conclusion, reclaiming control. Unexpected shutdowns can be a frustrating and disruptive experience, but understanding the underlying causes empowers you to take control. From battery woes to software snafus, recognizing the signs and implementing preventive measures can significantly reduce the occurrence of these sudden halts. While some issues might require professional intervention, many can be tackled with simple troubleshooting steps and responsible phone usage. Remember, a well-maintained phone is less prone to unexpected shutdowns. Keeping your software updated, monitoring battery health, and addressing problematic apps can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and reliable phone experience. If troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the issue, seeking professional help is advisable to diagnose and address any underlying hardware problems. By understanding the reasons behind unexpected shutdowns and taking proactive steps to address them, you can reclaim control over your Samsung phone and enjoy uninterrupted usage. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to keep your phone running smoothly and reliably.